All right, we're here at Unit 60 over in Troon. Again, this street backs up to the preserve here, so no one behind you. Two-car garage, only one shared wall right here. Walk up to the front here. So you got about 5 steps leading to the front door. You can see it's a pretty good size building here. Got nice sliders leading out from the dining room. All right, enter in here. Yeah, so this is LVP flooring that they put down here. It's that white, off-white, grayish, high ceilings, probably 20-foot plus ceilings here. You got a half bath down here. It's actually a pretty good sized half bath. So 1 bathroom downstairs, all bedrooms are upstairs. So it looks like they probably had the carpet down here and they just put this LVP in here. Walk into the living room here, again, just very, very high ceilings. You have it's like a gas fireplace. Actually, that might be wood burning. But you come out here, look at the views. You're butted up right up against the preserve here. So you got a pretty good sized patio. So this is your side yard right here. So again, the front door is right here. So this is all artificial turf here. You got nice landscape lighting around here, but that's your view in the back. So total privacy. And this is off the dining room too as well. You also have a balcony up there from the master, which I'll show you. That's super private. All right, step back in here. Kitchen's been updated, so again, nice big dining room. Looks like you got quartz countertops, black and white. Got your refrigerator here, electric stove, and then another dining nook over here. And this was that slider leading to the front door. Then you got the laundry here. They have a stack dryer. You could really, if you didn't want a stack dryer, you have enough room to put this down here if you wanted it normally. But this one comes with a nice sink. Some more storage over here. And you come to the 2-car garage. It's actually probably got 6 more steps leading down to the garage. But it's got a soft water system over there, a water heater right there. So yeah, it's a garage. If you don't mind, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps leading up. So again, they have this LVP throughout the whole entire first floor. So you could almost probably try to find this and match it upstairs if you'd like, because this is definitely today's trend. So a nice big sink. But yeah, your views are really, really nice. I mean, you got mountain views way up there too. So, and this is the old, this is probably the old wood floors here. So, you could probably just use this flooring right here and float it all the way up. I think this would look really nice with like a metal stair rail, something a little more modern, in my opinion. Walk upstairs here. This is real wood. And you got up there this landing right here. You can kind of see how expansive this great room is. All right, and to my left, you have the master. And this carpet, it's in decent shape, but you could probably rip this all out and just put in the LVP. But look at the views. Again, this is all your backyard space back over here too as well. So back into the master. good size. You could easily fit a king bed right here. They got this cool kind of funky tile in the master bathroom. So you have your toilet right there. And you have a separate tub and spa. It's like it's all been redone. A nice glass shower. It's kind of like a bluish white tile, really pretty. And you got this skylight right here too, which is nice. And decent sized walk-in closet with built-ins. Dual sinks. Walk up to the other 2 bedrooms here. So you got a nice long hallway here, some more storage, window coverings. So again, this is all that real wood in here. So here's another bedroom, probably like 10 by 11. Ceiling fan, plantation shutters. There's Pinnacle Peak right there. Bedroom number 3. Same kind of thing. Got ceiling fan, plantation shutters, probably 11 by 12, mirrored closet doors. And you actually have an entry into the bathroom from this bedroom too, if you wanted to. So you have like a pocket door right here. So this is the other bathroom that these 2 bedrooms would share. So this one's got, this is that real tile in here too. Again, you could take up all this and just match what you have downstairs. You want everything uniform, because having 4 different kinds of flooring is kind of weird. I mean, you have tile, carpet, and wood. And there's the exit, same thing here. And that's it. Nice property. I would say, you know, just these 4 aren't bad. They're dark. They're gonna show a lot of dirt. I do like the LVP down here. I think that's something that we could match all the way up here, all the way up to here. And you know, I think down the road, I think just something really cool, that's just a thick, dark rail would make this property shine. So that's it. Good looking property. I love the location. You can walk to Troon Country Club. It's guard gated here. You're about 15 minutes away from Kierland, where I live at. So a little bit farther north, but still within reason. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon.